The boy tired. Anxiety. Users may not save. Jojo. I like it, but I'm peeing up. Don't be asleep. BRS. He's my anxiety. I'm tired, guys. Get up. Even if I was a high kid. It's beautiful. I'll be coffee beg your post. Be more itch up Come over more, come over palm. Somebody say cocky enough for dead. You love man with pretty body. Coffee. Coffee, you can't beg your apple post. Cocky enough for dead. But we cuddly all the last night, my laugh. Cocky enough for dead. Cocky no fi did. Hey Shana, Mr. Shana, me sad this morning and you make me laugh. Yeah.
Yeah. And the first pussy I now warm like this for you.
Yeah. Yeah.
But man. But man. So I want to keep.
The right that's what she like inside of my baby father, my love.
And I don't say that babe watched up the story. Hey, me I come down and dash on my phone now.
I like inside of my baby father, my love.
That's
I'm
why
not
you're
good
so
enough.
peaceful. You never see fire without no smoke.
Stop talk loud. Let my man sleep in peace. My man rest in peace, my love.
You're there. Watch the Lulu story.
But the crowd seed.
Never see about the niece. Remember, you know, stay Auntie Apple. So you stop that now? Sure.
My man rest in peace, my love.
Yeah. Till later when the boy get up, you roll a turn down, start worrying every girl.
I can't do that again. You know, my man.
You stop war now.
Oh, you mean me can't manage in the life living there in the lifestyle? Then my man not happy with them. There's something. You know, my man love me.
Yeah.
You know, I know me proof say the boy love me.
Bedtime story.
We can't even talk.
Story. I just wake up, no matter try put my back to sleep. Nasty.
We can't even talk. We can't even talk, auntie girl.
Yeah.
Say enough to worry about for me the time story. Me know my man. Me know my man love me and that me I work with.
Yeah, anything on the boy tell you, Allah. Remember, man, you light and salvation. Remember,
I don't want to tell me how my witness.
Yeah. Remember, man, you light and salvation. See them saying a stop by a dream. What kind of dream you have by Tikki?
You must be the lottery.
Nothing wrong, at least you stand a chance to win.
Yeah.
That. Remember, man, shoot the all away and cut out the belly bottom and go away with it.
You one. You have two girls for you bring down for me because I can't manage the cousin.
No, I can't. Remember say I can't fight. And remember say I got my man up, so I'm not going to do that. Come down, girl.
So you know tell me say me I can afford them with pay buckle.
Buckle. Later, Tikki.
Me love man with pretty body head. Lord, watch my man asleep. Sure. Watch my man asleep. Sure. Good morning, sir. Tell a cocky hi. Good morning, sir. Tell a cocky hi. Who say me sad? Me I wonder who say me sad. Me laugh.
Good morning, Auntie Tikki.
Present.
How you doing?
I'm doing fine.
Remember to take time talk. Take time talk, Lord, Auntie. Remember us Buzzman asleep, okay?
Oh, do you tell me just something, my friend?
Big up for the nice clean self, Auntie. Later, yeah?
Alright, that's serious time, Auntie. See my friend right there, right? That's so we can shoot more interest. Last time me play with a match player. You playing a match?
Something not look right. Also, you know, look something not look right, also.
Everything right, you don't know me is a chat and come soak me. My friend in the comment section could have given me something, you know. Let me see if you can go. But something look right. I'm advice you here. Stop pretend. Come here, you know you're there all long time, peace spot there. Okay, enough you did. Me narcos, Michi. Me narcos. Talk a look. Okay, enough you did. Alpha, you can't be something on my cash app. Me love man with pretty body head. Cocky enough you did. That me could have laid on and sleep. But me can't lay down because me out for leave any time now. Lad, me just not gonna miss my man. So. I was judgment this year call me for early. Me so come here at 11 o'clock for up here. 11 o'clock in idea. 11 a.m. Huh? Huh? Where's the shower? Okay. Huh? I'm tired bad. Can't work. Go on. It's my turn. Make a pee-pee, end the life. I'll come back on when we're done. Cause I don't say that might be. Pee-pee. You know, so me can't peace. Where peace come? Oh God. Like that when I wear the wipes, you must wipe me boom boom. No, I don't like people, I just wipe me boom boom, you know. I wipe me use, I wipe me boom boom and try to keep him alive. Well, I don't say that my man, guys, I hold him up. I'll sleep. Until further on in the day. Cocky enough he did. Me love man with pretty body head. Guys, me so come back. Cocky enough he did. Love man with pretty body head. What's this one here? She obsessed with say.
What happened? That's nice. I've seen
No
I got
Betty
that
milk.
no Betty milk, bestie.
No Betty milk.
Never stop this.
No Betty
No
milk.
Betty. Pussy milk like sweet. Angry.
Sure.
Then you go on last night like a rock. What we have cuss O'Neal for?
Can't only enough business with me in my life. You know business with me, O'Neal is me and me is O'Neal have to come coming now, go airport but take bus.
The eat that tea girl. The chase it to your right. That throw it up in a eagle like cuddly. Watch man a sleep in a good bed. You angle the assignment, my love.
Cocky no fi dead.
You love boy with pretty body head. Now before my
Boom, why you take her out of the box and me put her up here? You can't do that. And me put her up here.
I want to take me out.
You know hear the woman say him create me, leave her.
I want to take me out. Me no allow. Stay with them allow to them on them class. Have a good night. Can't tell the problem. They just like.
Yeah, come here, go in live right now to me.
Alright, later, darling.
Alright. We talk along the road, Rose.